Hello everyone, you're watching Saheb Academy. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for the regular updates, and also follow us on Instagram, Saheb Academy. Now let's go to the video.
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to start this new chapter of cost accounting, that is reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. Now this is a very simple and easy topic, okay, reconciliation. You can easily solve these problems, reconciliation problems, because you just have to add some things and subtract some things, right? That's all you have to do and you will easily get the marks, isn't it? That's all you have to do. But what most of the students do is, they don't understand this topic properly, and they don't know how to solve these reconciliation problems because they don't know the proper technique of solving these problems. What they do is they try to memorize all these different scenarios and different cases, and they try to do that. No, you don't have to go like that, right? You just have to understand the technique, because here you will find sometime profit as per financial is given, sometimes as per costing is given, sometimes losses are given. So depending upon the situation, everything will change. So it doesn't help you if you memorize what to add, what to subtract. That's completely messed up. What you have to do is you have to understand this simple technique that I'm going to teach you within 10 minutes, and you will feel this is a very simple topic, okay, and easily you will be able to solve all the reconciliation problems, right? Shall we start? Right, let's start. Now first let's understand what is meant by reconciliation of cost and financial accounts and why do we do this reconciliation. See here, it's very simple to understand. If a company has non-integral system of accounting, then the company will be maintaining two different sets of books, cost accounts and financial accounts separately, right? So now cost accounts has different principles and different logics, and different concepts, and here we prepare cost sheet to calculate the profit in cost accounts, and in financial accounts we have different concept principles, and here we calculate profit by preparing trading and profit and loss account, isn't it? Yes. So now the profit according to cost account and financial account will always be different, okay? 99% of the time it will be different. They will not match up, because of various number of reasons. See here, there are certain items which are shown only in financial accounts and not in cost accounts. Some transactions, some items will be missing from the cost account, purely financial items which will be only recorded in the financial accounts, all right? And there are certain items which are shown only in cost accounts and not in financial accounts, opposite of that. And then different methods of valuing stock. Now here in financial accounts we value the stock, the inventory, at the lower of cost and net realizable value, and in cost accounts we may use any of the methods, right? LIFO method, FIFO method, average price method. Lots of methods are there which are used in cost accounts, so that's why. So the valuation of stock may differ, and then different methods of charging depreciation. Now in financial accounts we may use another method, and in cost accounts we may use another method, okay? And then there may be over or under absorption of overheads in cost accounts. Now in cost accounts what we do, here we calculate everything on estimated basis, right? So whatever overheads, those expenses are there, we assume it beforehand, we absorb it, but in financial account what happens, financial account is prepared on historical basis. So when we incur those expenses, then only we will record in financial accounts. But in cost accounts we record the expenses beforehand on estimated basis, so that's why it will be different, okay? So these are the main 5 reasons due to which cost accounts and financial account profit will differ, okay? So because of this difference in profit, what we have to do, we have to reconcile these two books, okay, cost accounts and financial accounts. Now what is this reconciliation? See here, reconciliation may be expressed as the process of tallying the working results or profits as shown by cost accounts with that of financial accounts. हम क्या करेंगे, एक प्रॉफिट लेंगे, ओके, और सारे डिफरेंसेस को, जो भी ट्रांजैक्शन हुए होंगे उनको कंसीडर करते हुए हम दूसरे प्रॉफिट तक पहुंचेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट इज रिकंसिलिएशन, राइट? वी विल टेक वन प्रॉफिट एंड विल ट्राई टू अराइव एट दिस टारगेट प्रॉफिट. So always, mostly, in all the question we should try to use first cost account profit. We can start with any profit, but the most preferred way here is, since we are learning cost accounting, so we'll start off with cost account profit, okay, cost accounting profit, and we'll try to arrive at financial account profit, okay? That's how we are going to reconcile the differences between these profits. Yeah, cost accounting and financial accounting. All right, so this is what is reconciliation, tallying the profits of cost accounts with that of financial accounts. Simple as that. Now once we solve a problem, you will understand how simple this is. Okay, there is a simple technique, main technique is there. If you understand that technique, then this is a piece of cake really. Okay, so now let's solve one problem. Now before going to the problem, let's just discuss the technique of reconciliation, right? So see here, first you have to understand the relationship. Yeah, now this is a common sense. Yeah, it's not a big deal. See here, profit and income are what? Positively related. If income increases, profit increases, and profit and expense is what? Negatively related. अगर expense खर्चा बढ़ेगा, profit कम हो जाएगा, isn't it? Yes. And then loss and income are negatively related, and then loss and expense are positively related. अगर खर्चा बढ़ेगा, loss बढ़ जाएगा, अगर income बढ़ेगा, loss कम हो जाएगा, right? Simple as that. This is the common sense. Yeah. Then you have to understand the technique, how to solve these reconciliation problems, right? Now you know you will start off with cost accounting profit mostly, and then you will try to arrive at financial accounts. इधर से start करके इधर पहुंचना है. तो सोचो ये आपका एग्जाम पेपर है और ये आपके फर्स्ट रैंकर दोस्त का पेपर है, right? So you have to copy his paper here, right? This is your target paper. All right, this is your target. You have to reach here. So whatever impact is there on financial accounts, yeah, what all transactions, lots and lots of transactions will be given to you in the question. So वो transaction का impact देखना है. What impact does those transactions have on financial accounts? You have to see. All right. So we'll be using science over here. इधर science लिखेंगे हम, मतलब पहला transaction हुआ, क्या उसका impact क्या है cost accounting पे, और उसका impact financial accounting पे क्या है, राइट? फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स पे क्या है? सो जो भी इम्पैक्ट फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग पे होगा वही आपको यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस करना है. अगर इधर प्रॉफिट बढ़ रहा है वो ट्रांजैक्शन की वजह से प्लस करो, अगर वो ट्रांजैक्शन की वजह से फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट का प्रॉफिट घट रहा है, माइनस हो रहा है, माइनस करो. दैट्स ऑल यू हैव टू डू. Whatever impact the transaction has on this target, yeah, that's what you have to do over here. Simple as that. Now let's just solve the problem. You will understand it. It's very, very simple, right? You just have to try to reach here, this target profit. Yeah, ये आपका दोस्त का पेपर है. This is your friend's paper. You have to copy. You have to reach this paper, right? That's all you have to do. Let's just go to the problem, okay? Let's just not waste any time here, right? Let's go to the problem. Now here we have the problem. See the question over here. It's very simple. The net profit as per financial accounts is rupees 64,377. The cost record shows the profit of rupees 86,200. So now here we have two profits, financial profit, costing profit. Now here what do we have to do? These two profits are different. So we have to reconcile these two profits on the basis of these transactions. Okay, the following information is provided to reconcile these two profits. Yes, so we have to prepare the reconciliation statement. Format is very simple, particulars column and an amount column. We are going to add some things and deduct some things. Okay, so normally what are we going to do is we are going to start off with the costing profit or loss, whatever that is given in the question, and then we are going to try to arrive at financial profit or loss. Yes, if here it's profit, here profit. If here loss is given, then loss. Simple. Yes, so profit as per cost accounts is given in the question. Cost records, yeah, what is that? 86,200. 86,200 costing profit. And then we are going to start with the first transaction, A. Yes, so what's our technique to prepare this reconciliation statement? It's very simple. What you have to do is first you have to identify whether the transaction is an expense or income. Expense or income, that's what you have to identify. So the first transaction, works overhead. Overhead means expense. Works overhead. Overhead means expense. So this is an expense. Under recovered in cost books. So now expense is under recovered. It is recorded less in cost books. So if you record less expense in cost books, what will be the impact on costing profit? अगर तुम खर्चा expense कम record करोगे in costing books, तो profit पे क्या असर पड़ेगा? Your profit will be more, isn't it? Simple common sense. खर्चा कम record करोगे, profit बढ़ जाएगा ना? So profit will be more, right? So our technique is what? We have to first identify expense or income and then we have to see the impacts. क्या असर पड़ता है उस ट्रांजैक्शन की वजह से हमारे प्रॉफिट्स पे. अब ये ट्रांजैक्शन फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन में उन्होंने डायरेक्टली बोले हैं कि कॉस्टिंग बुक्स पे क्या असर पड़ा है, राइट? कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो डायरेक्टली वी गॉट द इम्पैक्ट ऑन कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट. देन what do we need actually? We need the impact on financial profit, because जो भी impact financial profit पे पड़ेगा राइट, वही हमको यहाँ पे करना है. देखिए, so now in costing profit that transaction has plus effect. Our profit would be more, costing profit, because we have recorded expense less. But on financial profit there is no impact. Yes, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं हुआ होगा, इधर का प्रॉफिट कम रहेगा. सिंपल कॉमन सेंस. यस, ये चीज जो वर्क्स ओवरहेड अंडर रिकवर्ड है, ये फिनेंशियल बुक्स पे नहीं हुआ है, ये कॉस्टिंग बुक्स में हुआ है. सो अगर फिनेंशियल बुक्स पे नहीं हुआ है तो उधर का प्रॉफिट, फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट कम रहेगा. ऑपोजिट, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अगर यहाँ पे प्लस इफेक्ट है यहाँ पे माइनस होगा, यहाँ पे माइनस इफेक्ट है यहाँ पे प्लस होगा. ऑलवेज ये ऑपोजिट चलेगा. ओके, तो प्लस यहाँ पे माइनस रहेगा. सो फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट पे माइनस इफेक्ट है तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, सिंपल माइनस करना है. सिंपल एज दैट. दिस इज द टेक्निक. जो भी इफेक्ट, जो भी असर फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट पे होगा वही तुमको करना है. सो फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट पे क्या असर है, व्हाट इज द इंपैक्ट ऑन फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट, इट इज माइनस. सो वर्क्स ओवरहेड अंडर रिकवर्ड इन कॉस्टिंग बुक्स 1560. ओके, 1560. Simple as that. Let's go to the next transaction. You will understand. It's very simple. See here. Admin overheads recovered in excess in cost books. B transaction. Overheads, it's an expense. Yes, the first thing is done. It's an expense recovered in excess. Expense को ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड किया गया है, in costing books. You have recorded expense more in costing books. So now what is the effect on costing profit? खर्चा ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड करोगे. If you record more expense, then your profit will be less. Simple common sense. And in financial profit, what will be the effect? Exactly opposite. I've told you, this has happened in costing books. It has not happened in financial profit. So of course, effect opposite रहेगा. So plus. Okay. अगर financial profit बढ़ के है, right? Then what you have to do over here? Plus. जो भी effect तुम्हारे target पे पड़ेगा, अब इधर target क्या है हमारा? Financial profit. So whatever effect the transaction has on your target profit, that is exactly what you have to do over here. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, it's very simple. So the B transaction, admin overheads recovered in excess in cost books, will be added. Admin overheads recovered in excess in cost books 850. Simple. Yes. Then we have got C and D. See here, these two are together only because they are regarding depreciation. Okay, so depreciation charged in financial accounts, depreciation charged in costing books. Now what happens, I've told you this, you know, in financial accounts we may use another method of depreciation, and in costing books, in cost accounting, we may use another method of depreciation. So what will happen is the depreciation value will be different. See here, depreciation in charged in financial accounts is 5,600 and depreciation that is charged in cost books is 6,250. It's different. Yes. So depreciation, what is depreciation? Expense. Depreciation खर्चा है ना, depreciation क्या है? Depreciation expense है, it's expense, right? So depreciation. So what you have to do is, our technique is to see the impact on our target profit, financial profit, and do it exactly over here. Yes. तो डायरेक्टली फिनेंशियल बुक्स पे देखो क्या हुआ है. ओके, डायरेक्टली देखो, कंफ्यूज मत होना. डेप्रिसिएशन एक एक्सपेंस है, इट्स एन एक्सपेंस. व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑन फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट? फिनेंशियल बुक्स में क्या हुआ है? वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड डेप्रिसिएशन लेस इन फिनेंशियल बुक्स. देखने से ही मालूम पड़ता है. कॉस्टिंग बुक्स पे डेप्रिसिएशन 6250 आ रहा है, 6250 आ रहा है, और यहाँ पे 5600 आ रहा है. मतलब फिनेंशियल बुक्स में एक्सपेंस को तुमने कम रिकॉर्ड किया है तुम्हारे टारगेट प्रॉफिट में, टारगेट बुक्स में. So if it is recorded less by 650, it is 650, right? Recorded less by 650. See here, 6250 minus 5600, 6250 minus 5600, the difference is 650. 650 से तुम कम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो इन फिनेंशियल बुक्स एक्सपेंस को, एक्सपेंस कम है 650 से, then your profit, your financial profit is more. Your financial profit is more. Depreciation 650 से कम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो in financial books, your profit will be more. Simple common sense. So this transaction will be added. Okay, depreciation. Okay, I have taken them together just to show you the difference. Okay, depreciation in costing books, depreciation in financial accounts 6250, 5600. अगर तुम financial books में कम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो तो financial profit बढ़ के है तो प्लस करना है. सिंपल, 650 को ऐड करो. Simple common sense. Whatever effect the transaction has on financial profit, your target profit, do that. Yeah, do that. Simple. Next transaction. Okay, see here, interest on investment not included to cost books. Now interest on investment, now is this an income or expense? This is an income. Why is that? Because on investment you get interest. All right, simple common sense. Interest on investment not included to cost books. Now this is a purely financial item, so it will normally not be included in cost books. Okay, so if it is not included in cost books, this is an income. Income अगर तुम costing में नहीं रिकॉर्ड करोगे तो costing का profit पे क्या असर होगा? प्रॉफिट कम रहेगा. इनकम नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो, यू आर नॉट रिकॉर्डिंग द इनकम इन कॉस्टिंग दिस इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, देन योर प्रॉफिट विल बी लेस. And in financial you have recorded that income. Yes, it's always opposite, I've told you. So अगर तुमने यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया है, प्रॉफिट कम है. अगर तुमने यहाँ रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है ना, ऑफ कोर्स किए होंगे, राइट? सो इफ यू हैव रिकॉर्डेड द इनकम हियर, देन योर प्रॉफिट विल बी मोर, ऑपोजिट. सो फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट बढ़ के रहेगा. तो दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. ओके, प्रॉफिट बढ़ के है. ओके, सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट विल बी एडेड. Interest on investment not included in costing books, 4,000 added, plus plus. Clear? Yes. Then we have F transaction, loss due to obsolescence charged in financial accounts. Loss means what? Expense. Clear? Expense is charged in financial accounts. Now if expense is recorded in financial accounts, so financial profit will be less. Expense record karoge in financial books, your profit will be less. So less that transaction. Simple common sense. Loss due to obsolescence 2,850. Negative, right? Subtract. Yes, simple common sense. Then we have got income tax provided in financial accounts. Now what is income tax? Income tax is something you pay to the government. Yes, so now income tax is what? It's an expense. So if expense provided in financial accounts, that means it has been recorded in financial accounts. And always remember this: goodwill, income tax, interest on investment, bank interest, these are all purely financial items which will always be recorded in financial accounts and not in costing. Not in costing. Okay, so if they give you directly income tax, goodwill written off, you have to understand these are purely financial items and they are only recorded in financial accounts. Clear? So if this expense is recorded in financial accounts, our profit will be less. खर्चा रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो financial books में, सिर्फ financial books में, तो financial का profit less होगा. और अगर target profit में less effect है, so less that transaction. Income tax provided in financial accounts only 20,150. Yeah, 20,150. Simple. Then we have bank interest. Okay, bank interest shown in financial accounts. Now this is an income, bank interest. Okay, bank interest shown in financial accounts 375. Yes, H transaction, bank interest. तो income record हुई है in financial books, our financial profit will be more. Yes, financial profit will be more. Plus, simple, plus करो, bank interest only in financial accounts 375. Simple. Then we have stores adjustment, credit in financial books. Now here credit is coming. Credit means it's an income. Okay, stores adjustment, credit in financial books. तो income record हुई है in financial books. Then what? Simple. Income record हुई है, that means your profit is more. Plus, yeah. So you have to add this transaction 237, stores adjustment. Stores adjustment, credit in financial accounts 237. Clear? You have to add. Simple. Then we have loss in stock charged in financial accounts. Now what is loss? Expense. Loss is an expense. अगर loss expense है and loss is recorded in financial accounts, इसका मतलब हमारा profit कम हुआ है. Loss record हुआ है, expense is recorded, then your profit is less. Yes, minus effect. So you have to subtract this. Loss in stock. Loss in stock shown in financial accounts only, because जो भी इम्पैक्ट हमारे फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट, हमारे टारगेट प्रॉफिट पे रहता है, वही हमको करना होता है. सिंपल टेक्निक है ये, सिंपल टेक्निक है टू मास्टर दिस रिकंसिलिएशन. ओके, लॉस इन स्टॉक शोन इन फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स ओनली 3,375. क्लियर? सिंपल. Now just do the calculation, just put all of that into calculator and just solve that. See here, very simple. Let's do it. 86,200 plus 850 plus 650 plus 4,000 plus 375 plus 237, that is equal to 92,312. Yes, so then minus 92,312 minus 1,560 minus 2,850 minus 20,150 minus 3,375, that gives you 64,377. Now you have directly arrived at financial profit, that is 64,377. Yes, so now your solution is correct. Okay, this is how you have to verify the answer. If you get this profit properly and if it is given in your question, then you can verify and see whether your answer is correct or not. Simple as that. तो हमारी टेक्निक क्या थी? सिंपल टेक्निक. इफ आई सम अप, जो भी इफेक्ट तुम्हारे टारगेट प्रॉफिट पे होगा, वट एवर इफेक्ट the transaction has on your financial profit, that is exactly what you have to do. Okay, और अगर इधर cost books के बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हैं, then first understand the impact on costing profit, see the impact on costing profit. उसके बाद after that do it exactly here in financial profit, because always remember whatever impact a transaction has on costing profit, it has exactly opposite impact on financial profit. अगर इधर माइनस होगा इधर प्लस होगा, इधर प्लस होगा इधर माइनस होगा. ओके, और हमें क्या करना है, हमें फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट तक पहुंचना है. मैंने क्या बोला था, ये आपके दोस्त का पेपर है, तुम इधर टैली कर रहे हो, तुम इधर रिकन्सिलेशन कर रहे हो, तो कोई आंसर तुम अभी दोस्त से कॉपी कर रहे हो, तो तुमको जो भी उसके दोस्त के पेपर में जो भी होगा वो तुमको तुम्हारे पेपर में सेम टू सेम लिखना है. सोचो ये तुम्हारे दोस्त का पेपर है एंड यू आर कॉपिंग इट, सिंपल एज दैट. ओके, सो जो भी इफेक्ट आपके टारगेट प्रॉफिट पे होगा वही करना है. अगर सोचो आपने फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट को यहाँ पे ले लिया और कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट को यहाँ पे ले लिया, राइट, यू आर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद द प्रॉफिट एज पर फिनेंशियल अकाउंट, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to take your target profit as costing profit and see whatever impact your transaction has on costing profit या target profit. मतलब जैसे तुम चूज करोगे वैसे करना पड़ेगा. अगर तुमने फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट पहले लिया तो कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट इधर रहेगा, तो जो भी इम्पैक्ट तुम्हारे कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट पे होगा वही तुमको प्लस माइनस करना पड़ेगा इफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड विथ फिनेंशियल प्रॉफिट. या बट आई विल रिकमेंड यू टू ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विथ कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट. ओके, इट्स ईजियर दैट वे. ओके, so now in the next video we are going to solve one more problem and you will see this is very easy. Now by just watching this video I'm sure you are already very perfect in this. Okay, easy, right? Reconciliation is very simple. Just see the impact on your target profit and do the transaction. That's it. Okay, all right then, see you in the next video.